So just as I'm out here on the ranch, we get a lot of teams that come out. Some of them need to be watched, some of them need to be babysat. And the crew from Renergy, these guys, you just trust them. You know that they know what they're doing. In fact, you know that if they're there, things are going to be better than you left them. And so I appreciated that a lot. Definitely, made my job a lot easier. As somebody who's worked in various industry backgrounds and has some experience with the work that they're doing, a lot of times I can see some of the issues that are going to come up before they come up or as they're coming up. And with the Renergy guys, these guys came out and they are extremely professional. They know 10 times more than I know about what they're doing. And it was pretty impressive to see these guys, because not only do they have a excellence about them, but they have such a great attitude about working out here in this heat with the difficult conditions and the difficult job site. A lot of guys, they get into the job and they get hot, they get tired, they get fed up with the complications, and then next thing you know, you got to have them out here 4 or 5 more times before they actually get the job done. But not these guys. You know that they're knocking it out and they're doing it with a great attitude.